welcome back to the WebToTech YouTube channel. Today for this video of WebToTech, I will be showing you how you can open or create an account on Dramacool. Now to do that, first thing is open a Google browser on your PC or in your laptop that you have been using. Once you do that, you click open new tab. There on the search bar you type in www.watchasian.id and press enter. This will open the official web page for the Dramacool. So Dramacool basically is a free streaming website that allows viewers to watch a variety of Asian films and dramas in HD quality with English subtitle. Dramacool also has an application that provides links to download K-dramas for free from a website. For you to create an account there, you need to go and click on login over here. Click that. It will direct you to this page. Now for you to log in, you need to have an account. So we're gonna go make an account first. Click on sign up. For the signing up, you will have the option to continue with Google. If you want to sign up your account through Google, you just click that and your account will be created very easily. If not, you need to provide all this detail over here. We're gonna go and provide the detail manually for account creation. Type in the detail, type in the email address, type in the password, retype the password for confirmation. Then you click on this checkbox, I'm not a robot. Then click on sign up. Now once you do that, you need to confirm your email address. For that, you need to go and check your Gmail. Click open Gmail on the new tab. Now there's the mail. You click open that and you need to verify your email. For that, click here to verify email. With this, you will have your email verified and your account will be created. Once the account creation is done, you need to log in. Click on login on here. Provide your account credential, your details. Type in your email address, password, and then click on sign in. This will have your account. There's a profile over there. So this is a way how you can easily create a Dramacool account for yourself. Hope this video was useful. Please like and subscribe to the WebToTech YouTube channel. Thank you for watching till the very end.